Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to you how I solve this problem. Payment was not approved on OpenAI ChatGPT. Okay, so I was paying a monthly fee for ChatGPT Plus, but I decided to cancel it. So now I want again pay for it for maybe 1 month or 2 months. Okay, but when I try to reactivate it, I was having this error, this problem here. I did everything. Clear my browser, go into incognito. As you can see right now here, I'm doing incognito. Use a different browser. I use Firefox. I used Microsoft Edge, but it did not work. So I'm gonna tell you how I solve it. So go to ChatGPT app on your mobile phone if you are using Android, or I'm not sure if it's gonna work for the Apple phone, but my phone is an Android phone. But I went to my Android phone, open ChatGPT app, and then I went there and then click upgrade ChatGPT Plus. And then when I click upgrade, they ask me to enter my Gmail password. I enter my Gmail password, and then boom, it's working. It's working. Let me show you on my ChatGPT. You can see right now they say it's the free version. When I refresh it, as you can see here, now I got the plus. Okay, now I got the plus. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Yeah.